1300 hours, Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. Wahdat-e-Ummat Conference is being held in Islamabad today with the aim to promote sectarian harmony in the country. Speaker National Assembly says resolution of Kashmir dispute as per the UN Security Council resolutions is imperative for regional peace and stability. OIC contact group on Jammu and Kashmir has asked the United Nations to call on New Delhi to halt the human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In Nepal, revised political map with strategically important areas has been formally introduced in school curriculum. And now the news in detail. Wahdat-e-Ummat Conference is being held in Islamabad this afternoon with the aim to promote sectarian harmony in the country. President Arif Alvi will be the chief guest on the occasion. Minister for Religious Affairs Peer Nurul Haq Qadri and religious scholars from different schools of thought will participate in the moot. Speaker National Assembly Asad Kaisar has urged the international community to play its role for the resolution of lingering Kashmir dispute. Addressing a seminar in connection with the International Day of Peace in Islamabad today, he said that the resolution of Kashmir dispute as per the UN Security Council resolutions is imperative for regional peace and stability. Condemning the blatant human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the speaker said that Indian troops have been given a free hand to persecute innocent and armless Kashmiri people. OIC contact group on Jammu and Kashmir has asked the United Nations to call on New Delhi to halt the human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. At its informal meeting in New York, the contact group said India should also be impressed upon to implement the UN Security Council resolutions which call for a plebiscite to enable the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to exercise their right to self-determination. The members of the contact group voiced deep concerns at the continued violations by India of the fundamental human rights in occupied territory. Conveying the special message of Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, Pakistan's permanent representative to the UN, Munir Akram, said that BJP government is engaged in systematically engineering a demographic change in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir through new domicile laws. Shah Mahmood Qureshi, in his special message, emphasized that it was imperative for India to immediately lift its inhumane military siege, remove restrictions on communications, movement and peaceful assembly, release incarcerated political leaders, and reverse new domicile laws. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the revenue officials have started distributing domicile certificates among applicants at their doorstep in Jammu. According to Kashmir Media Service, as many as 100 domicile certificates have been distributed by a Tehsildar in Janipur area in a single day. Earlier, in order to expedite the process of issuing domicile certificates, Naib Tehsildars were given powers in addition to Tehsildar to grant domicile certificates. 633 new cases of coronavirus infection and 4 deaths were reported in the country during the last 24 hours. 292,869 people have so far recovered from the virus, and there are now 7,015 active cases in the country. The number of coronavirus cases across the world has surpassed 31 million, while the pandemic has claimed more than 965,000 lives so far. The United States is the worst hit country with over 7 million infection cases and over 200,000 deaths, followed by India with over 5.4 million cases and over 87,900 deaths. More than 22.8 million patients stand recovered. In Nepal, revised political map with strategically important areas has been formally introduced in school curriculum. According to KMS, the new books titled Nepal's Territory and Reading Materials for Border Issues has been a preface written by Education Minister Giriraj Mani Pokhrel. Earlier, the Nepali Parliament in June this year unanimously approved the new map of the country featuring Indian-claimed Lipulekh, Kalapani, and Limpi Yadhura areas as part of its territory. In Afghanistan, 9 security personnel have been killed and 4 others injured in an attack of Taliban in Takhar province. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.